Hey guys, you might be new to Maximo. You may have had Maximo for years. It's not giving you what you want, or you're out there looking at you guys have grown and your enterprise is looking for a new EAM CMMS tool. Maximo's on the radar. And at some point in time, someone in your organization is going to say, well, let's get a demo of Maximo. Makes perfect sense. You want to know what the software looks like. You want to know how it runs. I want to help you be successful in your reception of a Maximo demo. Well, why is that hard? Maximo in the core application has over 100 applications built within it, like work order tracking, your asset management, your job plans, your PM scheduling, over 100, tons. And then there's other really top line separate applications like health, monitor, predict, visual inspection. It's deep water. There's a ton of stuff. So when you say demo Maximo, it's like, well, what do you mean demo Maximo? We could be here for a week and I haven't shown you every screen in the whole product. So for your benefit as the customer, come to the table with, here's what I do. And I have a real problem in this area. Here's a real world example of that problem. And here's what I would like the solution to look like. If you can give us that, us as Banetti, which we should be your preferred partner if we're not already, or us in general as all of the world of Maximo consultants and IBM consultants, the Maximo sellers, all of us. If you can give us that clarity of, here are the kind of problems I experience. Here's one that actually happens to me. Here's the problem it causes. Here's what I would like the solution to look like. We can configure something and show you a Maximo solution to that. Otherwise, what you're seeing in a generic Maximo product demo is one size fits nobody. It fits hundreds of industries and thousands of customers. It's one size fits nobody. It's going to be overload. It's going to, it's like throwing the dictionary at somebody. It's ridiculous overload. So we want to help you get the best solution for you. More often than not, Maximo has a good shot at being that best solution for you. But in order to show that properly to you and then therefore leadership, we have to have a real problem to solve. Give us a problem, we'll give you a solution. I know, could be tough to define. Deep water, reach out. We're here to help. We're here to help you solve your problems. We are your Maximo concierge. Get ready with Benetti. Like, subscribe, look forward to talking to you.